Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe, ulike, ushare and ucommente kwi-commentary box ngezansi. Umnumzane uJacob Zuma ucacisa indaba yokuthi benza iphutha lokuthi bangabachazeli abantu ukuthi liyini ilungelo and iyini idemocracy ngemumva kokuthi bathole inkululeko ngo-1994. Kodwa-ke nangu echaza kule video elandelayo.
But from the leadership point of view, I think there are few things we have not done. Firstly, South Africa had a system called apartheid, which was very violent. For it to be defeated, we as the people had to be violent as well. That culture was not addressed after 1994. We did not sit back and say, our people, we come from this particular period. That time has come to an end. We are beginning a new one. Use it in the churches, use it everywhere to show the people that times have changed. We didn't. We took things for granted. Thought that freedom will suddenly make all of us be alike. We did not even explain to people. Perhaps we might be the more guilty on that one. Our struggle. What had it taken for us to reach 1994? What is it that we underwent? Who supported us? In what way? We did not explain it sufficiently so that people understand we came from a very ugly past which we must put behind us. I also think we failed to explain what freedom means. What is freedom? What is democracy? What are the rights? What are the responsibilities? All of us organize in organizations as individuals. That ought to have been forming a larger part of sermons in churches and synagogues to deal with the psychology of all of us that was, in a sense, perturbed or disturbed by apartheid. We did not. And I think we are vuning. We are vuning. Suppose we are reaping what we did not even sow. We did not attend to what we were supposed to attend to. And therefore, whilst not attending to what we were doing, but we had created such a wonderful constitution, and we had a wrong belief that a constitution as a document will solve the problems. Big mistake. We keep on telling the people, the Constitution does not allow this. We have not explained the Constitution itself. You know, the oldest book, one of the oldest books called the Bible, every weekend is explained what is in the Bible for centuries. It can't explain itself. You can sit here. You wouldn't know what is inside. We did not have a systematic way of teaching people about our own constitution. That's why now we are vulnerable. We did not do what we're supposed to do. This is a call I'm going to be making to all stakeholders. Because there was a vacuum. What occupied the vacuum was a continuous negativity about South Africa, which in a sense, societally, after 21 years, is beginning to influence people wrongly. Because they don't see the harmony, the responsibility, the leadership from all angles. What they see is people engage in verbal fights continuously. And that from the intelligentsia that speaks too much influences ordinary people. And they can't verbalize it, they then do it in action with knives and everything. And this is what I think we've got to do as a nation, all of us. It's not a responsibility of somebody. It's a responsibility of all of us.